Lorex has released another high-quality IP security camera in its 2K camera lineup with the release of the LNE3162. This camera features a white matte exterior coating and is built from aerospace grade aluminum. The camera can be installed indoors or outdoors and both vertically and horizontally. Let's look at an exterior install near a garage. Here we are using an optional junction box S1J F2G available from the Lorex Technology website. This all-metal box features a foam backing to help keep the elements out. The side of the box has a plug that can be removed to allow installation of the included waterproof cable connector. Remove the front plate from the junction box by loosening the 4 corner Allen bolts. The silicone stopper can be removed from the front plate and set aside. In this install, we are removing the foam backing around the rear access port. Use a knife to remove the foam around the hole. Now we must remove the camera ball from the mounting chassis. Unscrew and remove the outer ring of the camera and gently remove the camera from the base. There are 4 mounting holes on the camera base that line up with the front plate of the junction box. Align the 4 mounting holes on the camera chassis with 4 threaded holes on the junction box cover. Attach the camera base using the provided Allen bolts. Gently thread the camera cables through the hole in the junction cover and gently place the camera ball on the plastic camera glides. Now replace the outer ring and thread it back onto the camera chassis base. Do not tighten the ring completely if you plan to adjust the camera angle at this point. Since we are mounting the camera along a narrow portion of the property, we can rotate the camera ball to a very tight angle. Rotate the camera ball into the approximate desired angle. At this point, you may choose to replace the black silicone plug by separating it along the slit and sliding it onto the cable. Gently push the plug into the front cover hole. The camera is ready to install outside. We've drilled a hole in the brick on the motor line and pushed the Ethernet cable through the outside of the building, having run it through the garage. We've also installed 2 plastic anchors into the brick mortar. You may choose to install more anchors for extra support. Thread the Ethernet cable through the back of the junction box and secure the junction box to the wall using 2 or more screws. Now connect the Ethernet plug from the camera to the long Ethernet coming from the NVR. Gently wrap the cabling inside the box. Align the 4 corner Allen bolts. Hold the camera in place and tighten each hex bolt with the supplied Allen key. Now we can do an adjustment of the position. Loosen the outer ring and slightly rotate the ball head. It's ideal to keep the green-blue sensor pointing down in order for the image to be oriented correctly. Now plug the other end of the Ethernet cable into the NVR. The LNE3162 delivers crisp, clean images in day and night. The 12 infrared LEDs illuminate the side yard at night. When external lights are turned on, the camera automatically switches to color mode, supplying vivid, detailed night vision. The Lorex LNE3162 offers professional-grade quality and round-the-clock surveillance for all your security needs.